If your vehicle is not equipped with this instrument panel, please see your owner's manual for more information. The rear cross traffic alert helps alert the driver of approaching vehicles when the driver is backing out of a parking space. RCTA operates when the shift lever is in the reverse position and the vehicle speed is less than approximately 5 miles per hour. If the radar detects an approaching vehicle from the side, a chime sounds and the blind spot warning rear cross traffic alert indicator light on the side of the approaching vehicle flashes. There may be instances when you want to turn the rear cross traffic alert system off. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select Settings, Driver Assistance, Parking Assist, then Rear Cross Traffic Alert to toggle the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.